How to manage last message author avatar on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in this thing I'm gonna show you how to manage last message author avatar on Skype mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Skype and then click on your profile here and now click settings and then click this one appearance, and now all you need to do is turn this one off. If you want to change this one, turn this one on, and as you see now we can manage this one. If you want to turn it off, just click on it, and as you see last message outer avatar has been turned off, and click on it again if you want to turn it on, and just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.